Greetings! This is the official channel for ENLOSPAI. I hope everyone's doing well. In this video, I will be showing you how to convert a Word document into a PDF file. Let's check it out. Alright, so method number one is very simple. First, with our Word document, we're going to go to File, then Save As. You can choose your destination, and under the file name, we're going to go to Save As Type, and instead of choosing a Word document, you click on this drop-down bar and choose PDF instead, and then Save. If you are not able to complete method number one, here is a second alternative. You can go to File, Print, and click down this drop-down box. You will see an option to print to PDF. Let's click that. And now we're going to press Print, and then we're going to save our file. For this third method, we'll press File, and then we'll go to the Export tab. From here, we can create a PDF/XPS. And very simply, we'll save the file as a PDF and publish. There it is.